Welcome back, everyone. You may recall that I've been playing with optional external linear power supplies, specifically ones from AliExpress. This is a 12-volt unit that I've been using with the FIIO DAX recently. It has a IEC connector, this aviation style output, simple switch, really basic concept. This is a 12-volt unit. I've also used 5-volt units with the likes of the Harmony micro DDC, and people suggested that I try this FIIO unit. It's also it's also branded as Jade Audio, probably the same company, I believe. And this is the PL50, and I thought I'd open it up and see what's inside. We have a quick start guide, which of course is, well, at least some English on it, and Chinese as well. So we've got that. We have our little lid on top. We have the unit itself, and just for comparison's sake, you'll see that it's smaller than the AliExpress unit, which is kind of nice because the AliExpress unit is quite big, but interestingly enough, it's also very heavy. I'd say it's actually heavier than the AliExpress unit. And the one nice feature here is it has both 12-volt and 15-volt output, so you can switch between them to get the necessary output. So we're going to be doing a comparison of this unit versus the AliExpress one to see if they're any better. I'll probably also open this thing up to see what it looks like inside, compare transformers and the like. But as I say, it's very hefty. Looks like should be a good unit. Thanks very much. Have yourself a great day. And as usual, if you're enjoying my videos, like and subscribe. Have yourself a good one. Bye-bye.